Keep your car running smoothly and save money with these tips. Make sure you check your oil level before you go on a long trip or every couple of 100 miles. Coolant stops your engine from overheating, so make sure you check the levels a couple of times a year. The liquid should be between the medium and maximum line, and while you're at it, check your washer fluid as well. Check your battery and look if the terminals are going corroded. Make sure you change your oil and oil filter every year or every 7 to 10,000 miles. Regularly check the air pressure of your tyres, look to see if they're damaged, and check the depth as well. Thanks for watching.